Hey guys, what's going on? Cullen Stack here with Roofing Marketing Pros. We're actually a strategic partner with Anthony Del Medico and Storm Ventures Group.
You got to figure out how to attract those 20-somethings into your company. You got some cool stuff that they can relate to.
We're here at the Mastermind in South Beach, Miami. And we are super excited to be a vendor at the upcoming Win the Storm Phoenix, Arizona 2020. If you haven't already got your tickets and you're not already going or you're not aware of the event, reach out to David Castano, Anthony Del Medico, and the entire team at Storm Ventures Group. We look forward to seeing you at Win the Storm 2020. Make it happen and scale with speed.